Hi, how was your day?
It was good. Really busy, though.
Oh, really? What kept you so busy?
I had back-to-back meetings in the office. And a lot of paperwork to finish.
Wow, sounds exhausting. Did you get a chance to eat lunch?
Yeah, but just a quick sandwich at my desk. Nothing fancy.
Oh no, you need proper food.
I know. That's why I'm looking forward to dinner.
That sounds tiring. Would you like some coffee to relax first?
Yes, please. That would be nice. Thanks, love.
Here you go. Be careful, it's hot. By the way, I cooked dinner today.
That's great. I'm starving. What's on the menu?
Just something simple, pasta with veggies. And I made your favorite salad.
Perfect. I can't wait. Thank you for doing all this after your day, too.
It's nothing. I enjoy it. We can eat together in a few minutes.
Sounds good. Maybe we can watch a little show after dinner, too?
Sure, let's finish dinner first, then some relaxing time for us.